What does Warren Buffett know about frugal living that most people ignore? He's worth over $100 billion, yet he still eats McDonald's breakfast, lives in a modest home, and buys used cars. Sounds weird, right? But what if I told you? That's exactly why he's rich. See, Buffett's not just frugal, he's intentional. And if you want financial peace without giving up joy, these 10 frugal habits can change your life too. Live below your means. Let's start with the obvious. Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Paid just $31,500 for it. Could he afford a mansion? A dozen of them? Sure, but he chose to stay rooted. Why? Because living below your means isn't about deprivation. It's about freedom. The less you owe, the more choices you have. Buffett knew that decades ago. Most people never learn it. Avoid unnecessary debt. Buffett once said, "I've seen more people fail because of liquor and leverage." Let that sink in. Debt isn't just a number on a screen, it's stress, pressure, risk. Buffett stays away from it unless it's 100% necessary. He doesn't use borrowed money to invest or buy liabilities. That's not luck, that's strategy. Value over brand. Ever noticed how we're conditioned to believe that expensive means better? Buffett? He doesn't care. He doesn't wear designer suits or flashy watches. He drinks Coca-Cola and eats at Dairy Queen. What he values is value itself. Things that work, last, and serve a purpose. Not stuff that just looks good on Instagram. That mindset alone could save you thousands a year. Pay yourself. First, here's one of his best quotes. Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Read that again. Most people do the opposite. They spend, then try to save whatever crumbs are left. Buffett saves first, always. That habit is how wealth grows silently in the background while you live your life. Invest in yourself. Buffett says the best investment you can make is in your own mind. He reads several hours a day. He sharpens his thinking. He learns, even now, in his 90s. You might not have his bank account, but you can read, watch, and grow like he does, for free. That's frugality at its finest, spending time, not money, to get ahead. Watch the small stuff. Buffett buys breakfast at McDonald's, and sometimes decides what to get based on how the stock market is doing. That's not about the food, it's about the mindset. Every dollar matters, not because you're cheap, but because you're aware. Small leaks sink big ships. And Buffett? He patches his ship before it ever leaks. Think long-term. Buffett doesn't chase quick money. He once bought stock in Coca-Cola and held it for decades, not months, not weeks, decades. Frugal living means buying things and making decisions that still make sense 10 years from now. Can your last Amazon purchase say the same? Keep life simple. You won't see Warren Buffett making 12 side hustles, running 15 businesses, and investing in crypto he doesn't understand. He keeps it simple. Simple meals. Simple routines. Simple investing. Because complexity drains energy. Simplicity builds focus, and clarity is a frugal superpower most people overlook. Be generous. This one might surprise you. Despite living modestly, Buffett is one of the most generous people on earth. He's pledged over 99% of his fortune to charity. That's the heart of true wealth. Living frugally so you can give freely. Generosity and frugality are not enemies. They're twins. Stay grounded. Even with all his success, Buffett is humble. He credits his success to luck, mentors, and being born in the right place at the right time. He doesn't flex. He doesn't gloat. He just sticks to what works. And that's the final lesson. No matter how rich you get, don't lose yourself chasing more. So yeah, Buffett's not frugal because he has to be. He's frugal because he wants to be. And maybe that's the biggest secret of all. Frugality isn't a sacrifice. It's self-respect. It's telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. It's playing a long game. So you don't have to panic later. If you made it this far, you're serious about living differently. So do this. Check like this video if it gives you clarity. Subscribe if you want more real, down-to-earth financial content. Comment below, which of Buffett's frugal habits hit you hardest? And remember, you don't need billions to live well. You just need wisdom and a willingness to live like it matters. See you in the next one.